Hello and welcome to GQuat Traditions, and this is the May 25th update for Planter Garden TV. I live in Connecticut 6B. It is still 40 degrees at night. I got out of there. Mr. Hershey and me, we left zone 6B and went to 9B. Hello. And are we happy? We came for my little sister's 50th anniversary and her 50th birthday. We went out to dinner, and this is what she looks like. That next is an oil painting I made of her. Yep, all by myself. And I wanted you to see the jacaranda tree is in bloom, and it always blooms in May. I want to grow some food here, but everything is totally landscaped. Totally. Here's a picture of her birthday cake, some of her birthday flowers, and I just love it here in Arizona. My sister is next to me in the line of Panky children. There were 6 of us. I'm the oldest. She's the second oldest. So, as you see, I'm looking for some place to grow a garden. Everything is already landscaped. Guess what? I am a guerrilla gardener, so I grow something wherever I go. Sissie took me to the gas station. There she is standing in line. Then we went to Tractor Supply. We went to Walmart. We went to a lot of places. So there is a planter in the front of the house. I planted some seeds in there. And in the back, I've got 12 new grow bags. Plus there were a few little pots out there that I had out there before. There's a couple more, but that's for the next update. It's only going to be June 5th. That was a piece of celery growing in the house. I don't waste anything. I'm not throwing anything away. There are wheelbarrows with twigs in it, and I have some straw sitting around. Bought some cheap topsoil and some mulch to go at the bottom of these grow bags. They're 10 gallons each. That is a lot of real estate to fill in, you guys. I will get some good soil for the top, like Miracle Grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as a farewell, here's a picture of the orchid that grows out back of the 9B house. Thanks for watching.